These are two people I just met. So
Hi.
what are you doing here, and what's your story?
I'm Jaume, she's Lydia, my girlfriend. So we were a little bit tired about rules, working and everything. So we just saved as much money as we could. We flew to Mexico, Cancun. We bought the van there and we are just traveling around, enjoying life.
It was a dream since we were child to have a VW.
Yeah.
Like
So-
this one.
That's why.
That's incredible.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So how long have you been traveling?
6 months already.
Yeah.
6 months.
Yeah.
Wow, my family and I have been traveling for 12 days. I thought that was a long
But
time.
that's good.
Better than nothing.
That's right.
And yeah, now we are here in USA.
Enjoy life.
Enjoying it.
Enjoying nature, enjoying life.
Meeting
family.
incredible people with,
Yeah.
with interesting stories all over
Yeah.
the place.
Yes.
Wow.
So-
I've been to Europe a couple of times, to France just for work, but I never thought that Europe would come here to see me. This is really cool.
Yeah.
So have you just been in the Southwest so far? Or?
We crossed the border in Texas.
Uh-huh.
So we were in Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, California, Nevada, and Utah.
And Utah.
Okay. How long have you been in Bryce?
We just arrived
You just got
Yesterday
here?
evening.
yesterday evening.
Okay.
We came from Zion, actually.
Oh, so did we. We came from Zion.
Oh, yeah, you too?
Yeah, it was really
I think
hot.
everybody
It was
knows
really
it.
hot. It was really hot.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
not
cool.
air condition, nothing. We just have.
But
Let me show you.
this is our air condition.
That is our
Only one.
only one.
But it's simple and it probably works all the time.
Sure.
Yeah, it works.
We want to see more national parks here in Utah.
Where we're going next is Moab, which is going to be even hotter.
Yeah.
And then
What?
Monument Valley, Arches and Canyonlands,
Yeah.
of course.
That's nice.
Four Corners. And then we're going to Mesa Verde and Durango, Colorado. And I think it will be cooler.
Nice.
So-
Definitely.
Yeah.
We would like to go to Colorado as well,
Uh-huh.
to check this Rocky Mountain National Park.
Uh-huh.
We just got the normal tourist visa, and as an European ones, we are just allowed to be here like 3 months.
Well, I hope you come back. You're the kind of people we want to have here.
Yeah,
Thank you so
thank
much.
Explore our beautiful country.
We will like to come
Yes.
back again
Yeah.
to see a little bit more. This
Because
country
it's
is so
so-
big.
It's so big.
What you have here, it's so amazing,
It
and
is.
it's something that at least in Europe we cannot see.
Yeah.
So
We should appreciate it.